In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print photos and make journal spreads using Canva and Pinterest. We'll start by gathering inspiration. Set up the right document size. Design a clean, creative layout, make sure everything is sized perfectly for your journal. And then download and print with great quality. Begin by opening Pinterest and searching for terms like journal aesthetic, bullet journal ideas, or a specific theme you want for your spread. Click into the pins you love to view them at a larger size and download the images to your device. Aim for clear, high-resolution images and save them in a dedicated folder so they're easy to find later. If you are creating a personal journal, most inspiration is fine for personal use. But always be mindful of image rights if you plan to share or sell your designs. Next, open Canva and choose a document size. A4 works well, and landscape is recommended for 2-page spreads. If you are working with a specific physical journal, measure it and create a custom size that matches your exact page dimensions. Turning on margins or leaving a small border will help ensure nothing important gets cut off. Now it's time to design. Go to the Uploads tab and upload the images you saved from Pinterest. Drag them onto your canvas. Use shapes, lines, and grids to build structure. Think columns for photos on one side and notes on the other. Or boxes for headers, quotes, and checklists. Frames are great if you want images to snap into specific shapes. Keep your spacing consistent and use alignment tools so everything feels neat and intentional. Add text boxes for titles, dates, or quotes. Choose 1 or 2 readable fonts and set a clear hierarchy for headings and body text. In the Elements tab, search for stickers, paper textures, or washi tape graphics to give your page character. Lower the transparency on textures for a subtle background and arrange elements forward or backward to layer, without blocking your text. Before printing, make sure your photos and sections are sized correctly. Turn on rulers and guides in Canva to check exact measurements. Leave a small gutter if your spread will sit across 2 pages. And keep important details away from the edges. When you are happy, click Share, then Download. And choose PDF print for the best quality. If your design goes to the edge, include bleed and crop marks. Print at home using 100% scale and your printer's best quality settings. Or take the PDF to a local print shop and request true to size printing on your chosen paper. Thanks for watching.